Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the pitch section of the 11 Plus Music Aptitude Test. If you haven't already checked out the pitch tutorial, I highly recommend watching it first. In that video, I explain the key concepts of this section and share some practical tips to help you know how sound works and how to identify subtle pitch changes more effectively. If you're already familiar with this section or have seen the tutorial, you're in the right place. This video is packed with extra practice exercises designed to sharpen your pitch detection skills. Before we jump in, let's quickly recap how this section works. You'll hear two notes played one after the other, and your task is to decide whether the notes are the same or if the second note is higher or lower than the first. In these exams, sometimes they may ask you whether the second note was up or down from the first. Be careful, some of these changes can be as small as a microtone, which is less than a semitone, and this makes them especially tricky to identify. And here are a couple of tips to help you. Tip number 1, sing back the notes as soon as you hear them. This can help you feel the pitch change as well as hear it. Pay attention to your vocal cords as you sing. If your vocal cords feel tighter after singing the second note, that means the second note went higher. If your vocal cords feel more relaxed and you feel a slight drop after singing the second note, that means the second note was lower than the first, or it went down from the first. Now let's get started. I'll play 20 exercises for you, and after each exercise, you'll have a 5-second pause to think and answer before the correct answer is revealed. Let's begin with exercise 1. So, how did you find these exercises? I hope those microtones weren't too tricky to spot. Please remember that microtones are the smallest steps you're going to hear in this exam, and they often feel as if the note was slightly off or out of tune. Feel free to write in the comments below whether you were able to spot all the microtones in these exercises. If you would like to see more videos like this, let us know in the comments and share your ideas with us. We're here to create resources and videos that support you on your musical journey. The more specific your suggestions, the better. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share these videos with your friends who are also preparing for this test. Keep up the great work, stay creative, and see you next time.